guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do another Easter DIY project for you guys because you guys really liked my Pinterest Easter DIYs, so I'm going to do another one. So this one I'm recreating that Dollar Tree sign with the little peep Easter bunnies and the little cottontails. I think it had cottontails, but it was like glittery Easter peeps, and I think it said Happy Easter on it, but that's been something that's been hard for some people to find. So I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to just go ahead and just recreate your own. And this way you can kind of cater the colors of the peeps to like the decor in your house. So that's exactly what I did. So I'm going to show you guys what you're going to need. So for this project, you're going to need a canvas, and I just got this one at Target, but I know the Dollar Tree sells canvases in their art section. I just like this one because it had a wood frame around it. I thought it gave it a little extra piece of detail. And then you're going to need a glue gun, some glue sticks, also some cotton balls, and then some paint. So these are the paints that I picked out because I have like a gray bluish theme in my house, so I wanted to keep this decor with the colors of my house. And then you'll need a package of peeps, and you know, you can eat a few afterwards when you're done because you're not going to need all of the peeps. So now we're just going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out with my light gray paint color. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour some of this out onto a paper towel and spread it out. Might have gotten a little too much here. And then you can get like a knife if you want to spread it out even further. Actually, I'm going to use a little baby spoon, I think is what I'm going to do. And then you're going to take your peep, and your peep is going to act as your little stencil for the shape of the bunny. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and take the back of the spoon and just spread the paint on the back of the peep right here and just outline it like that. And then I think I'm going to do a test stamp first just to make sure that the shape comes out the way I want to. So I'm just going to test it on the paper towel. So you don't want to get too much on it. So just coat the peep right here. And then you want to get the front of your canvas, and then you want to go ahead and place the peep down like that. And then start pressing it down to make the shape of the peep from the paint. So basically we're just stamping paint on with our peep is basically what we are doing. And then you get the cute little shape of the peep. And then obviously it doesn't look like a peep yet because we still need to add on the eyes, but also what you can do at this point is totally up to you. But what you could do if you just want to make this, so the next step, it totally depends on you, on what you want to do, but you can go ahead and put like a little cottontail with the the cotton balls. Now this one is a little too big, so you might want to go with like the little pom-poms that you can get. So I'm not going to do the cotton balls because my cotton balls are too big. But I think I'm just going to go ahead and just keep them as peeps. And then I'm going to do the same process of stamping the peep as I go down the line. So I'm just going to start alternating colors to create my line of peeps. So I have my 3 stamped bunnies, and you know, you can smooth this out with the paintbrush if you want, but I'm actually wanting to keep it like this because it does give it that like distressed look to it. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep on going down the line. So hopefully I can make 3 more peeps. I for sure can make 2 more, but 3 might be pushing it. But just go ahead and create a single file line with these little peeps. So then here's my little line of peeps, and I'm going to go ahead and just let the canvas dry before I go and do anything else. And if you're wondering what this was, I did like a test stamp on the back of mine. I probably shouldn't have done that, but oh well. But this is the, we're going to go ahead and let these guys dry before we move on to any other step. I left my canvas to dry overnight, and what I'm going to do for the eyes is I'm just actually going to use gold nail polish because I kind of want to tie into the color theme I have going on. It's a really neutral color scheme. So I'm just taking a pen and then I am making the eyes with just a dot of fingernail polish. So here are my completed bunnies right here, and I think they turned out super cute. So at this point, you could either leave it like this, or you could add some sort of wording on it with whatever you want to do. But yeah, at this point, you can do whatever you want with your canvas. So I decided to just go ahead and write just a funny little saying on mine. So it says, "For peeps' sake." So you can either use stickers on this or handwriting, black pen, whatever you want to do. But this is what I did with my do-it-yourself peeps canvas art. So this is something I'll be able to keep for many Easters. So let me know if you enjoyed this DIY project, and I will keep on doing these through the month of March because I love me some Easter. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to everyone later. Bye.